Hello dear students, in this lesson I'm gonna talking about comparing and ordering rational numbers. When you have two rational numbers and then we wanna compare between them, we can use the butterfly tricks. The butterfly tricks like that. We have to multiply the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction, and then we have to write the answer under the first fraction. After that we have to multiply the numerator of the second fraction by the denominator of the first fraction, and then we have to write the answer under the second fraction. So for comparing these two rational numbers, we have to multiply 5 by 8. We can write 5 multiplied by 8 equal to 40, and then we have to multiply 11 by 3 or 3 by 11. 3 multiplied by 11 equal to 33. So we have 40 at left and 33 at right. We know 40 is greater than 33, so 5 out of 11 is greater than 3 out of 8. Another example, example number 2, we have these two rational numbers, both are negative, so this is mixed numbers. First we have to change to fraction and then compare. For changing this mixed number to fraction, we have to multiply. The first mixed number is 3 and 4 out of 5. When we change to fraction, we have to multiply whole number by denominator and then plus 4, like that. 3 times 5 plus 4 out of 5. 3 times 5 equal to 15. 15 plus 4 equal to 19 out of 5. So the first mixed number we have negative 19 out of 5. After that, the second mixed number we have negative 3 and 2 out of 3. When we change to fraction, we have to multiply 3 times 3 plus 2 out of 3. So equal to 3 times 3 equal to 9. 9 plus 2 equal to 11 out of 3. So the second mixed number we have negative 11 out of 3. After that we can use the butterfly tricks. We have to multiply 19 by 3. 19 multiply 3 equal to 57. Negative 57, and then we have to multiply 5 by 11. 5 times 11 equal to negative 55. So in the left side we have negative 57, and in the right side we have negative 55. So negative 55 is greater than negative 57, so this mixed number is greater than 3 and 4 out of 5. After compare, we have ordering. How to ordering rational numbers. In this example, we have to order from least to greatest. We have two decimal numbers and one fraction. We have many ways for solving or for ordering these rational numbers, but an easy way, you can change this fraction to decimal and then compare. We have 11 out of 5. When we convert to decimal number, we have to use long division. 11 divided by 5. 11 divided by 5, how many 5s are in 11? We have 2. 2 times 5 equal to 10. 1 minus 0 equal to 1, and 1 minus 1 equal to 0. After that, we have to write decimal point and 0 in the dividend, and we have to write decimal point, the quotient, and bring down 0. Now we have 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 5 equal to 10. 10 minus 10 equal to 0. So negative 11 out of 5 equal to negative 2.2. After that, we have this 3 decimal numbers. It's easy to order from least to greatest or from greatest to least. We have negative 2.12 and negative 2.21 and negative 2.2. First, after in this two decimal numbers, after this point we have 2 numbers, so we have to write this decimal point and equivalent decimal number. We have to add 1 0. Now we have 2 numbers after each decimal point, so the least number or the smallest number is, in here we have 1 2 2. After that, after 2, in here we have 1, but in the third number we have 0. So this decimal number is the smallest or the smallest decimal number. So this is the first. After this decimal number, this decimal number is the second smallest, and this decimal number is the greatest number. So this is order from least to greatest. After that, we have these 2 examples. Example number 1, you have to order from greatest to least. We have many ways for solving from or for writing this rational numbers from greatest to least. An easy way is you can change this decimal number to fraction, or by long division you can change this to fraction to decimal number. So the easy way, we can change this to fraction to decimal numbers. We have 8 out of 7. It means 8 divided by 7. 8 divided by 7, we have 1. 1 times 7 equal to 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. You have to write decimal point and 0. Bring down the 0 and write the decimal point in the quotient. 10 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. The 0 become 10 and 1 becomes 0. 10 minus 7 is 3. After that, you have to write another 0 and bring down it 30. 30 divided by 7 is 4. 4 times 7, 28. So 30 minus 28 equal to 2. After that, you have to write another 0 and bring down, you have 20. 20 divided by 7 is 2. 2 times 7 equal to 40. 20 minus 40 is 6. After that, you have to write another 0, you have 60. So this long division not in the end soon, so we can try another way. this is a negative, so this rational numbers is the smallest numbers between these two numbers, or among these two numbers. So we have 8 out of 7 and 6 out of 5. We can use butterfly tricks to know which fraction is biggest. We have to multiply these two numbers and then write the answer here. 6 times 7 equal to 42, and then 5 times 8 equal to 40. So 6 out of 5 is greater than 8 out of 7. So if we order from greatest to least, the biggest rational number is 6 out of 5. After that 8 out of 7, and then the smallest rational number is negative 0.31. Example number 2, we have this rational numbers. Among these two decimal numbers, we have 7 out of 11. So first we can change this fraction to this decimal number and then order. 7 divided by 11. 7 divided by 11 is 1 time. 7 divided by 11, we don't have any 7 in 11, so we have to write 0. After that, 0 multiplied by 11 is 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. After that, you have to write the decimal point and 0. You have to write the decimal point in the quotient and bring down 0. 70 divided by 11 equal to 6. 6 times 11 equal to 66. 70 minus 66 equal to 4. After that, you have to write another 0 and bring down it 40. 40 divided by 11 is 3. 3 times 11 equal to 33. 40 minus 33 is 7. After that, we have to write another 0 and bring down it. We have 70. So this is a repeating division. We can say 7 out of 11 equal to 0.63. So we have negative 4.2, and then we have 0.63, and then we have 4.199. We have to make this decimal numbers be equivalent, so we have to write 1 0 here and double 0 here. So the smallest number is this decimal number, and then the greatest number between these two numbers is 4.199. so this is the first decimal number, or the first rational number. After that, this is the second, and this is the smallest number.